Restaurant SociGraphics review, demo, and huge $3,325 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Restaurant SociGraphics review. Now, this is amazing, especially if you are starting to make money online, because you will be able to make money with a simple copy and paste, and you're going to be making anywhere from $147 per month to $297 per month per client. And again, all you have to do is just do a little bit of copy pasting, and more clients doesn't really mean more work, because essentially you're using the same templates and you're losing a few minutes of your time per client per month. So this is amazing. It creates almost passive income, recurring income that is monthly, and I have a huge, well over $3,000 bonus that is custom made especially for this promotion. So let me share my screen and let's jump straight into this review video. And even before I'm going to share the sales page with you, I just did a quick search on Fiverr to see how much people are actually charging for similar services. Okay, so I found this gig, and as you can see, it says I will write a complete restaurant business plan for startups for $350, and this guy sold 18 gigs. So essentially he is only giving the business plan, but what you'll be doing is you'll be actually working for these restaurants. Now, these restaurants don't really know that you are essentially copying, pasting from the same exact templates, and they are willing to pay you monthly for this. Okay, so this guy is making $350 a pop. You're going to be making up to $300 per month per restaurant. Okay, so this is just one example. Another example, I will write a professional and detailed business plan, $18, but this guy actually sold 212 gigs. Okay, so again, probably he has a copy and paste template where he just sends it off to people, and as you can see, restaurants, local businesses, they actually buy these kind of gigs. So this guy has 6 orders in queue. And another one that I found is this one. I will do perfect, comprehensive, and complete business plan. 85 sold, 3 orders in queue, and he's charging $50. So as you can see, people are actually buying these, and you can become one of these sellers. And what is actually much better with Restaurant SociGraphics is that obviously all the graphics are done for you, and you are charging people monthly, because essentially you're going to be uploading one set of graphics per month to their Facebook page. So you'll be their social media manager, but it's all done for you. So you're actually losing minutes per client per month. Okay, now let me show you the sales page, and as you can see, it says simple, done for you service gets easy, recurring, 147 to 297 per month, retainers from restaurants with a simple 3-step copy and paste process. Implement this no-brainer foot in the door strategy that brings in desperate restaurant clients who will happily pay you every month like clockwork. Now, they say this is a newbie friendly method, and I 100% agree. If you've never made a single dollar online, this is probably what you should start with, because it's all done for you. All you have to do is just contact these restaurants. You're gonna get a script on how to approach these restaurants. So this is copy and paste as well. And again, you're gonna be making 3 figures, up to $300 per client, and it's per month. So it's just, you know, everything that is good about making money online is right here. Copy paste, recurring, and 3 figures per client. Let's scroll down here, and obviously these ladies, because this is released by Ivana and the Soci Masters group, they have massive proof behind it. Okay, so as you can see, $147, 297, 247, obviously depending on the package. So multiple payments right here, and as you can see, these are all just from 1 month. Okay, so you can have multiple clients paying you, and as you can see, they got some proof. So everything is done on social media, and these are the 4 ladies behind this product. So as you can see, Alicia with Lorette, Mitali, and Ivana. So we got 4 ladies on this one, and these ladies actually do it themselves. Okay, so I've actually met 3 of the 4 ladies in person on a marketing conference, and my wife actually bought a coaching package from Alicia, and she said it was really eye-opening. And I definitely agree, this is something that not many people really think about. You know, when you think about doing local marketing, maybe you think about ranking videos or, you know, ranking someone on Google Maps, but this is something recurring, so this makes it so much easier. Okay, so as you can see, some more social media proof right here. Again, 3 simple steps. Obviously, you can go through all of this in your own time. Restaurant SociGraphics, this is the name of this product, and again, this is my Restaurant SociGraphics review, and you're going to be getting a full set for pizza restaurants, for Mexican restaurants, and for Italian restaurants. And with the upsells, they actually are going to give you a few more, like Chinese and Japanese and all that, you know, all different kinds of restaurants. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what you're getting in a second. You're going to get these bonuses from these ladies, and obviously you're going to get my bonuses, well over $3,000 worth of bonuses from myself. Again, Restaurant SociGraphics, as you can see, we have a little sum up, money back guarantee as always, and that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time. And right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. This is what you will see before logging in. So this is actually a course on Teachable, okay, which makes this super easy to access, and you will actually be able to see how far along in the course are you. So this says 94% complete because I went through it, obviously, but when you start you have 0%, and as you go through it you will be actually able to see the progress. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So as you can see, obviously a part of the graphics, you're gonna get scripts, you're gonna get done for your resources, and you're gonna get video training on how to put this all together to work. So how to approach these restaurants, how to actually talk to them, how to use these scripts, how to convince them to buy from you, and how to keep on doing this every single month. Okay, so as you can see, we got step-by-step video training, introduction, finding clients, how to use the restaurant graphic packs, creating customized graphics, and getting yourself set up to manage a Facebook page, how to incorporate the formula, how to ensure your posts are seen, outsourcing, and reporting and showing the value. So essentially, you will be a social media manager again, and you will be uploading all of these images to a Facebook page of the restaurants that is paying you. Okay, then we have resources. So again, prospecting messages. We have done for you funnels, follow-up sequences, we have the graphic packs, and then bonuses. We got food quotes and 10 social media images that are additional. So you know, we can obviously share these images, or you can share quotes, or just anything engaging. Now let me show you the graphics, because this is where it gets exciting. So as you can see, again, with the main product, you're gonna get Italian, Mexican, and pizza. So let's just check out pizza. Then you have engagement, you have humor, and you have menu items. So let's just check out engagement. And as you can see, you have a bunch of different graphics. Now, obviously, you could go to Fiverr and pay someone to create graphics like these for you, but you would have to spend thousands of dollars. So it's all done for you, and the price is actually less than 15 bucks. So, you know, if you're going to use this for nothing else but just to have these images for yourself, you're going to be saving, you know, 4 figures. So as you can see, amazing looking images. Obviously, if you want to edit all of them, you can. So this is exactly what you're getting. And again, all you're going to be doing is just taking these images, posting them on a Facebook page of a restaurant that is paying you, and you're going to be doing this every single month, and that's how this becomes a recurring gig for you. Pretty amazing. Now let me show you the pricing and all of the upsells. And as you can see, the front end offer, which is the main product, is $14.95. Now $14.95 is the early bird price, and as you can see, the price will be going up to $17 during the initial launch period. Now after the initial launch period, which is around a week, the price will be probably going up to $27 or $37. Okay, so make sure to show up early and snatch it for as low as $14.95. And again, if you just like to buy the images on Fiverr or anywhere else, you would have to spend at least 4 figures. You're getting all of it with the video training, with the done for you scripts, and done for you resources for $14.95. Pretty amazing. Now we have one-time offer number 1, $37. I'm going to show you exactly what these are in a second. The second one-time offer, $37 as well. Third one-time offer, $97 per year, and then $197 for the fourth OTO. And as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check out all the bonuses, the funnel, and everything else. So right now, let me just show you exactly what you're getting when it comes to the upsells. Now, upsell number one, again, $37 as I already showed you. So this is Restaurant SociGraphics, done for you holiday and special graphics. Okay, so additional graphics, and what you're getting is 27 holiday posts, 27 holiday Facebook covers, plus a special bonus 24 special day graphics like National Pepperoni Pizza Day, National Margarita Day, and even more events for more profits. Okay, so just additional graphics you can make even much more money with. Okay, $37. Audio number two, another $37, and this is prospecting package. So what you're getting is done for you prospecting videos to send via email and Facebook Messenger. You're gonna get a done for you script to create your own videos. You can use your own voice in your own accent, obviously, and as a bonus, you're gonna get done for you email sequence and a messenger sequence. So just you're gonna get much more clients this way. Okay, so that's $37. OTO number two. OTO number three, that's the $97. And this is social for local group coaching. Okay, so you're getting social for local, which is social media agency training. You're going to get live weekly training plus Q&A sessions. You're going to get online video training, checklist templates, and a private mastermind group, and much more. Okay, so that's $97 recurring, and as you can see, the last upsell is $197, and this is done for you 9 niche graphic packs. Okay, so obviously you're getting the free different restaurants, Italian, Mexican, and pizza with the main product. If you want 9 more, that's this upsell. So as you can see, you're gonna get 9 more done for you restaurant niche graphic packs, done for you graphics, humor, engagement, and promotional menu content. And then as you can see, you're gonna get also the funnels, which is barbecue, seafood, Mediterranean, Chinese, Thai, American, bakery, and as a bonus, you're gonna get 162 done for you holiday graphics, and this will be 81 holiday posts and 81 holidays Facebook covers. Now, this is exactly what you're getting with all of the upsells. Obviously, upsells are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want to make your life a little bit easier with the done for you stuff, or maybe with the coaching, then by all means you can consider picking up one of these upsells. But again, you'll be fine with the main product alone. Now, let me show you all of the bonuses, because again, this is probably one of the biggest bonus package I've ever put together. Okay, $3,325, and the first bonus is a custom made bonus I made especially for this promotion, and it will teach you everything about offline marketing and making money with local niches. Okay, so this is a custom bonus to Restaurant SociGraphics by myself. You cannot buy it, you can only get it as a part of this bonus bundle. Okay, and I don't know if I mentioned, but Soci Masters graphics will be going live at 10 a.m. Eastern on November 6th. Okay, so let me mention all of the hour bonuses. Now you're going to be getting all of these, and these are exclusive for this bonus as well. You're going to be getting regular guys reveals how he landed 2 national brands as clients. Now this is a case study. You're going to get how to prospect the small businesses owners and get results. You're gonna get 11 ways to get clients without cold calling. You're gonna get WP local lender plugin, very useful. You're gonna get outsourcing made easy, and you're also gonna get how to get high ticket clients, so even more money. You're gonna get 15 Facebook event images. You're gonna get entrepreneurship skill set checklist. You're gonna get Facebook retargeting decoded. You're gonna get 40 free Instagram post hustle images and 40 free Instagram story hustle images. Okay, now these are exclusive for this promotion only, and I'm going to give you a ton of W's of the day products as well. So Blaze, this is my own case study and my own course on how I made $400 in one day using nothing else but free Facebook traffic. You're gonna get rapid niche profits. You're gonna get targeted traffic cash surge, newbie traffic formula, flip me income booster, and flip me reseller's license. Now that alone is worth well over $100. You're gonna get urgent arbitrage cash. You're gonna get easy arbitrage profits and tube traffic avalanche. Now all of the above I just mentioned are W's of the day awarded courses. Every single one sells currently for anywhere from $13 to $27. Now you're also gonna get a case study. This is a case study on generating free traffic. This is something that I used to sell as an OTO to my own products. Now you're gonna get all of these as well. Local internet marketing empire, WP local lender, Facebook remarketing decoded, Surefire local launchpad, local based traffic blueprint, work at home time management, get motivated for success, mastering local Google Plus. As you can see, everything is about local marketing and offline marketing. Turn free viral Facebook traffic and make $685 in 4 days. You're gonna get WP Notify Pro, viral images, a list of 49 freelancing sites, very, very useful as well. Turn your skills and softwares into six-figure recurring business, LinkedIn traffic strategies, viral email opt-in, and out-of-control marketing. Now I'm not done because you're also gonna get my plugin package, which is Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now, as I mentioned, this is one of the biggest bonuses I've ever given away, and this is a total of 48 bonuses worth $1,825. But I'm not done because you're also gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. As you can see, all of the bonuses are listed right here. Every single one is worth anywhere from $10 to $67. So you're gonna get all of these, and that's a total of $1,500. And as you can see, this will bring it up to a total of $3,325. Now, obviously, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free, just as a thank you for picking up Restaurant SociGraphics through my link. And guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can go through the written review. You can check out all of the bonuses. If you'll decide to pick it up, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog. This will take you directly to the sales page. And if you're going to click on these blue links, I will note that you bought from my link, and all the bonuses will be automatically delivered with your download. Okay, so just to sum up this Restaurant SociGraphics review, this is a fully done for you system. You're going to be creating a recurring income stream. This is offline marketing, which means big profits. Now, people locally are just willing to pay so much more money comparing to us in the internet marketing space, because we have so many different options that the price automatically go lower. Now, these restaurant owners don't really know about all these graphic packs and all that stuff. So that's why you can charge anywhere from $147 to $297 per month per client. Brilliant. More clients does not work, more work. So essentially you're using the same templates, you're just copying, pasting a little bit more. So this is copy and paste easy and super newbie friendly. Check out my full written review. Again, click one of these blue links right here on my blog if you'll decide to pick it up. And if you are watching on YouTube, you can click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page. And again, if you're gonna use one of my links, I'm gonna know that you used it, and the bonuses will be automatically delivered. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help you guys, so leave me a comment on my YouTube video or on my blog. Please give it a like on YouTube, I really appreciate it, and please subscribe if you would like these review videos. I got plenty more coming up. So guys, this was my Restaurant SociGraphics review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be seeing you when Restaurant SociGraphics goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on November 6th. Make sure to show up for the early bird, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Ciao!